Good morning. Right, new day, new week, new job. So we've got another little bathroom job to do. That's where we're at. Whoever designed it first time round made a right flipping big boo. That bath's massive. Toilet swash up over there. So ceiling panels, panel the wall. That's going to be a different colour at back for like a feature. New sink, new vanity unit, new toilet, new floor. Get rid of that bath shower type thing. But look, this is a nice bonny one. This customer's been and sourced everything. So all I need to do now is get some floor protector. I'll cover all stairs, cover all carpet, get it all nice and tidy. Then we'll bring some tools in. Leave that in as long as we can. Main thing is get rid of this bath and work out, see if there's any floor needs repairing underneath there or anything. Right guys, so once you've gone round and unscrewed everything and removed the tiles nice and gently, you should be left with something like this. What we're going to do, we get a bit of a tidy up now, and then we'll get the bath out because I need to get the water back on so we can fill the kettle up, which I forgot to do. So far so good. Yeah, so that's everything all unscrewed. All shower panels unscrewed, showers off, sinks off and all that lot of sort of stuff. Tiles are off. That looks a bit funny, but don't worry, we will sort that. Screw right through the bath into that wall. Still good. Shut that up because that's not going downstairs in one piece. Oh, look at that. Right, that's everything pretty much worked out. Just got to get floor up and toilet. But I'm going to go around now and take out screws out of plastic, what were it plasterboard, so I can use them later. Recycle then. Waste not, want not. Right guys, so it is the next day here. So the bathroom's all been stripped out. We've ripped out all the old plumbing. We're just going to refresh everything. Toilet's going to go from there to there. Put the shower tray there. We're going to have to lift it up a little bit, just 4 inches. We'll run that way. The sink's going to go there, but slightly away from the wall this time. And then the customer wants a radiator. There's no pipe work in here for the radiator, so we're hoping that the pipes run through underneath there. But we're using, when it comes on, using the endoscope that I purchased from TikTok shop, but I had a little bit of kit then, so we're hoping we can locate the pipe under here and we're not having to destroy all the floor. So that's where we're at this morning. So we're just going to see now if we can locate the pipe. Once we know what we're doing with radiator and that, we can get a shopping list together, get all the pipes organised, pick up from Screwfix, and then we've got Joris Perkins run for some plasterboards, a bit of timber, and then we'll just crack on then. Someone's already hacked away all the floor, so someone's done it for us. So now we've found our radiator pipes running through that way, which we can't use them because they're going into another room, but then we've got these. Just run them straight into there. So we've just got a floor return and a gas. So we'll work out which one we want, mark them up, and then continue to them after. So yeah, that's going pretty well, to be honest. Right guys, so we're back. They've been shopping, picked up all the little ancillaries and just little bits and bats that will hopefully now you can see into the hot and cold, not hot and cold, floor return. Send them up to our radiator, get up floor back down on that, and then start running new pipes. Radiator pipes, radiator hot and cold, cold, hot and cold again. And then we've got to move the light switch. I'm going to put double switch just outside there, so 1 foot fan, 1 foot lights. And then we can locate where the fan's going, get that up into the loft. Yeah, that's it. Right, so we've got a hole through this noggin and then we've got a hole through the other noggin, but this is where we could probably do with an extra pair of hands, but I ain't got one. So back on with the endoscope again. Let's see if we can see where they are. Oh, it's right there. Right, it is right there, so let me just shove that through. Oh my days. Guys, I'm absolutely buzzing. Check this out. Using that camera and guiding that, fucking poked it straight through the hole. Right, just got to do it with the other one now. Oh, that's that better. Right, that's better. Get now. Just going to pick up our flow and return there at some stage later down the line. Get down there, you bugger. Right, that'll do for now. We'll put that down properly when we come to do the final connections. Get in there, you bugger. Yeah, so that's been up before and someone's made a right bunch of that because it's you can't see it there, but it's a big old step-it floor, so when I come to put that back, and then you can see there someone's had a right go there. Get that bodgeroonery. So I'll repair that when I come to put the final connections in, but just for now, we'll sit that back on so we can carry on. A box of tricks. 80 quid in that box. That fits good, doesn't it? It used to fit, it doesn't fit anymore. Oh man, bloody protectors come off now as well. Oh, get rid of them packs. Why does it not fit anymore? What's going on there? Fucking lovely. What's that all about? What the hell's going on here? Oh, that. Oh my help. Hammer on the fucking floor. It works 60% of the time. All the time. Stop looking at my booty. Shit on him. Well, don't worry about that. We'll just snip that extra bit off. That'll be right. It's gonna have to go up again anyway, so yeah. No, I'll put them through first. Just leave them there, just so it's easier to get to after. Or some people use silicone, some people don't. I like to use a bit of silicone. So, get it. Big washer. Big nuts. Make sure you take care of the big nuts. Just keep going until you hear it crack, and then that will be it. Sweet. And then it should look something like this. Right guys, so once you've ripped out all your towels nice and neat, you should be left with a nice flat surface ready to go. We'll give that a quick seal over and then we're going to move on to the ceiling. So I'll show you a little tip on how to find your ceiling joists. If you can't get access above, I'll show you a little trick in a minute, but start knocking. You'd hear it change sound a little bit. Definitely something there, you can hear it there. They're not very good sensors then though. Radio, just a quick update guys. So the ceiling's in, the new lights in. I got my corner trims cut, I've got the shower tray in. Toilet sat temporarily where it wants to be, but now moving on to the panels. But this is a proper old cottage this, so nothing's straight. So rather than cock up the panels, what I like to do, I'll just use the cardboard box that the panels will come in as a template. We'll get them to fit and then we'll take it downstairs and hopefully cut the panels, bring it back up, fit it in one go. We're not backwards and forwards, up and down, because it's a nightmare up and downstairs. Let's go. So just for a minute, because it's chucking it down, I've just set up inside here, but one I'm going to do. We've got the extractor, we've got everything dust sheeted up and that, so.
Some new artists in 1985 you might think, aha, go west.
How will I know? That's been splodged in, but yeah, I'm happy with them panels, they look really nice. Can't wait to get the rest of it on. Get back. Right, we're moving on now. Bit of a late one last night, but the other thing is with these small jobs, they're not small, they are small jobs, but there's nowhere to work. Look, I'll just show you what we're up against. Yesterday it was absolutely chucking it down, there was nowhere to work, so I had to come inside with the extractor on the flipping saw just to stop up dust and that. I've had to take over the living room. Thankfully the customer's having a weekend away, but bloody hell, otherwise I'd have been struggling. So now we're back on it now. It's got two pieces to fit. Just another thing I want to sort out while I'm on wet floor. So the floors, in my eyes, should always join underneath the line of the door. This one, carpet came right into the bathroom. That's where it wants to be, that's where it was. So I'm just going to trim that back. And then we've got a new trim for the thing. Cut the carpet back, cut the thing back, and then a lino on that. Carpet will tuck in that, and then it's quite level as well, then. Eating going through the day these days. Tea. Bananas. Right, all the stairs are swept up nice and tidy. I'm going to tidy this up now, have a right good clean up, hoover up, get rid of everything, and then we're going to do the lino. We'll get the lino laid out on the floor and have a go at cutting that. Rightio, so I've got the floor down. I didn't order this floor, by the way, customer did. Just a little bit short. I'll tell you why it's short. Earlier on I cut the carpet back to suit where it should be in the correct position, which is under the door line. Oops. Lay that into it, and then I've got this little piece. Here's one I prepared earlier. That. Not a bad join, is that? I'm happy with that, guys. So, get some screws.
So let me shut up. If I rely on this.
Pushing it.